Welcome to the AZ-900 Azure Fundamentals Crash Course, where you will learn the basics of Microsoft Azure to get certified through the AZ-900 exam. My name is Praveen and I am your instructor for this course. I have worked for more than 15 years at Honeywell and Bosch. I am a cloud instructor who has published many courses and labs on cloud computing and software development topics. This course will provide the essential concepts to understand Azure for the AZ-900 exam. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in Azure fundamentals and be prepared to take the AZ-900 exam. Throughout this course, you will explore a wide range of topics including introduction to cloud computing, benefits of cloud services, Azure service types, core architectural components of Azure, Azure Compute and Networking Services, Azure Storage Services, Azure Identity, Access and Security, Cost Management in Azure, Azure Governance and Compliance, Azure Resources, Features and Deployment, and finally, monitoring tools in Azure. No prior knowledge of Azure or cloud computing is required to take this course. We will start from scratch and build a strong foundation together. This course is designed for beginners new to Azure and individuals interested in pursuing a career in cloud computing. Whether you are a developer involved in product development or a manager looking for technical or people management with a team of developers, this course will help you with the necessary language. Look at the preview videos to get a glimpse of what's in store, and when you are ready, hit the enroll button. I am excited to guide you through the basics of Microsoft Azure. Sign up now.